Howdy folks, Shawn here from HikeOnItShawn.com. Today we are at the White Oaks Trail at Hawn State Park in Missouri. So that's what we're hiking today. And this is about a 3.7 mile loop. It's kind of like a lollipop loop or a balloon loop as some people call it. It's foot traffic only. No horses, no ATVs, no bikes, and should be some good stuff to see. So we're here. We're just gonna hike this, do the loop, and then come back. And you get to come with us. So stay tuned. We're following the orange blazes. So far it's nice and...
It's a walk in the park.
Yeah, it's a walk in the park. And it's nice and easy to walk. We thought about doing something to Shawnee today, but it's the middle of summer, and that means it's weedy, but because of all our rain, it means it's really weedy. So,
like up to your head weedy.
This is a nice little rest area in case you needed to stop, take a break, look at some rocks.
Don't pick any of them up.
Yeah, don't pick any of them up here in Missouri.
We're on highway.
Especially if you're on a Department of Conservation site. All right, so you'll get to like a connector, a junction, a couple of signs. Just want to make sure you stay on the orange, which is right here. So, said the orange. The other one would take you to some of the other parts of the park. All right, so this is kind of the trail. It's a little rocky. It's not too bad. In all honesty, I kind of like it sometimes. It stretches the feet out. I'm sure if I hiked on it for 10 miles, you'd be wore out the next day. But it's not too bad. Tom Sauk Mountain area has a part of the Ozark Trail that goes through it, and we've seen a little bit of it, and they say it's so rocky that it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Rockdoculous. Haven't quite made it to the loop part yet, but so far it's pretty nice. Nice little walk. All right, getting a little rocky, a little big boulder bluffage, Missouri rock bluffage. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
There's three.
Three? Yeah, I see that over there on the other side. Fungi City here. I like that Shawn. He's a really fun guy. Alright, come up to another junction, and you just want to keep going straight. You don't want to go left. And there's signage that tells you White Oaks, orange, so we'll go that way. And this is the Whispering Pines connector. It's like a 2, and I think it takes you to like a camping site, like a backcountry camping site. You got to get permits. But so we're just going to keep going. We're about to our loop. So, alrighty, here's our loop. And it's White Oaks Trail, 1.8 miles, 1.8 mile loop. And then when we come back, it'll say Trailhead Parking Lot. So that's nice. It's very signed at the junctions. I like that. All right, some parts are a little weedy, but it's not all like this. So it's probably only been about 3% like that so far. So most of it's been fairly easy, clear trail, but who knows how much activity this gets in the summer versus other parts of the season, the year where, you know, it might be prettier. It's been pretty hot lately. Last time we came to Hawn and did the other trails, we rode by here and it was really busy. Getting guessing there's a lot of people on this trail. And the other trails were pretty busy too, but still, you know, this is a popular trail at some point. Can't remember what time of the year it was. Oh, got a really pretty area through here. Definitely warm today. I think we have a heat index of 108, something like that. At least 105. It's probably about 95 degrees real temp. So definitely a good day for a shaded hike. Still warm though. Breeze every now and then. Oh, this is cool. This is interesting here. Get a pic of that.
Wonder if these are the short-leaf pines.
Maybe.
Because they were in the description.
Short-leaf pine, maybe? Could be.
Well, there's a lot of sumac.
Yeah. Definitely a unique area. Alrighty, folks. Said there's an overlook. I'm thinking this is it.
Ooh, look at that shelter across there.
Oh, yeah. And I mean, this is pretty cool. I'll admit it. It's just not what I thought. If this is all, I thought it was going to be more like a
Shawnee overlook?
Shawnee overlook. Or a Missouri mountain overlook.
And, I mean,
But it's still cool.
it very well could be.
Yeah.
I mean, we could get further. This might not even be it.
Yeah. But even if it is it, it's not bad. It's a cool feature along the trail. So, it's definitely warm though. Whew. All right, got some bluffage. Nice rocky little area. This is probably the highlight of the trail.
Shawn, we came here for the pines.
Yeah,
Not the pines.
the
No.
oaks, the white oaks.
And there's lots of them.
There is. It's very healthy oak woods.
The trail is
A lot of pines.
perfectly.
Yeah. Definitely healthy oaks. Just had a few deer take off running. Guess they're bedding down over here. And we walked up and startled them. More mushrooms. Is this the White Oaks Trail or the Shawn Trail?
Yeah, they could have named it Shawn Trail Chip.
Yeah.
Shawn Trail.
Shawn Trail.
Trail.
Got a nice little creek here. All right, folks, we are at the start of the loop again. And that was the loop. So now we're gonna get on the trail we took to get here and hike back. All right, folks. Pretty hillside. This hike is longer than what it says on the sign. It says 3.75, 3.8, something like that. And we stayed on the trail. We didn't get off the trail at all. So we're at 4.1 miles. It's not too much longer off. I mean, it's like a quarter mile longer. So it's a nice 4-mile hike. I wouldn't advise doing it today because it's so hot, like a day like today, but if you're into trail running, it'd be a good trail to run. Just be careful on the rock. I would run it if I was camping and needed to get in a run. But today is hot. Hot enough where I'm starting to get a little bit of heat sickness, so overheating just a tad. So looking forward to the air conditioner in the truck. All right, got a very stony hillside. It's like a field of stones. These rocks.
I think it's a penny.
Michelle, I believe, found a penny. Looks like a penny from here. Could be a hallucination from the heat. Oops.
Cha-ching! Heads up.
It's a penny. So, yep. And we're right at the parking lot. So, about 4.2 miles. There was a van at the trailhead. They're gone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. This was a good trail. I definitely recommend it. There's not a whole lot to see, but if you're looking for a nice walk, a nice 4 mile like lollipop loop type hike, this is a good trail for it. There's picnic areas, so may have been why everyone was here the last time, the picnic areas, because there's a few of them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the trail.